In this tutorial, I'm going to look at the Try This Rock, Paper, Scissors program. So at the Marin Makerspace REPL site, I'm going to open the Try This Rock, Paper, Scissors, fork it to my account. Now I have a copy of it in my account. And so we're going to try to replicate Rock, Paper, Scissors, the game, where the user plays against the computer. So there are some instructions up here that will help us as we begin to think about how to code this game. Each game should start with the computer choosing a random choice of rock, paper, or scissors. The user should input their choice, rock, paper, scissors. And then while there is the gameplay or the comparison happening between the computer's choice and the user's input, some message should be put out to the screen. And then the results should be output and a score should be kept. This game can either be played forever or with a high score. This is suggesting 3. So when kind of best out of 3 wins, ending the game. And that if we do a top score, that we should add an option to replay, so that the game doesn't just end and the program end, but that the program still runs and we can either replay or end the program. And then a reminder of game mechanics that paper beats rock, rock beats scissors, scissors beat paper. So we're going to need variables, functions, and then our main program. So let's come back up and look at what we've got here. We want the computer to have a random choice. So I'm going to say we need a variable, a list variable of choices. And they need to be rock or paper or scissors. And then the user will have an input, which could be our main program or a function. So I'm not going to put, that's not it will be a variable, but I'm not going to do anything with that yet. And then we need a score. So let's do computer score. They'll both be, and then a user score, and both are going to be set to 0 to begin with. Okay. So now on to some functions. What are some main things that are going to happen? Well, we need the computer to choose. So computer choose an option will be one function. User input. And I think that the user input and checking against could all happen in the same function, or the user input could just be part of our main program. Let's do that. User input choice. There we go. So then we'd have another function that maybe we pass the user choice to, and it will compare computer choice to user choice. And maybe this one's going to return the computer choice could return returns the choice selected, and comparing will return the winner. And then we need something to update score. That would maybe take the the score to update and the value to update it to. Oh, whatever it would be, it'd just be a +1. So, given specific user, whether it's the computer or the user. Okay, so then if we have those functions, the first thing we do is have the computer, call function to have computer choose option. Then we'd have the user input their option, and then we'd call the function to compare the computer choice, user choice. And if that's going to return the winner, then save to variable. And then we need to update the score. So we call the function to update the score, passing in winner variable. So save to variable winner. Now we might change some of this, but this is how we've thought things out and how we'll start to code our program.